I'm Patsy Tilbury, and these are my hot tips. Red lipstick is instant glamour. Just wake up and wear it. For all you party people in Ibiza, I always suggest a bag or a basket with a change, a little black dress, your bikini, your sarong, and definitely a pair of high heels. Because you never know where you're going to end up. The sun is beauty suicide. A hat is absolutely vital. Sun-kissed will take you anywhere. Sun-bleached will take you nowhere. Less is more. The higher the heel, the better the booty. Hydration is vital. Magic moisturizer is key. Diamonds, leopard print, and lipstick are a girl's best friend. These are my hot tips. Take it or leave it.